Hello! Welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Jillian. How are you today? I hope you're doing great because today we have a very interesting lesson. Before we proceed with the lesson, let's review the previous one. Let's sing the triangle song. Let's sing it again. Triangle, triangle, what do you know? Triangle, triangle, let's have a go. There are 6 types of triangle, you see. Listen and sing and you'll learn them with me. Equilateral has 3 equal sides. 3 equal angles are hidden inside. Isosceles, they have 2 equal sides. 2 equal angles are hidden inside. Scalene triangles have no equal sides. No equal angles are hidden inside. Right angle triangles, what can you see? They have one right angle, 90 degrees. Angles measure all as 90 degrees. We call it acute triangle, you see. Why not just triangle? What can you say? Why not just angles are hidden inside? Okay, very good. You sang it well. Triangle song tells about the different kinds of triangles. Kinds of triangles according to sides and triangles according to angles. So now, I will show you different kinds of triangles and I want you to identify the name of it. What kind of triangle is this? Correct. This is an equilateral triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Very good. This is an isosceles triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Awesome! This is a scalene triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Very good! This is an obtuse triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Correct! That is right triangle. What kind of triangle is this? You're right! This is an acute triangle. Since you already mastered our previous lesson, let's proceed with our new lesson. So now, let's read a situation. Come on, read it with me. In the grade 4 class of Miss Tena, some pupils prepared cutouts of different quadrilaterals. Laurie cut a square. Laura made a rectangle. Nelma prepared a rhombus. Alma cut a trapezoid. And Ian made a parallelogram. Their outputs were neat and they cleaned their mess after cutting. What did the children prepare? Correct! They prepared a cutout of quadrilaterals. What are the different quadrilaterals they prepared? Correct! They cut a rectangle, a square, a rhombus, a parallelogram, and a trapezoid. What did they do after preparing the cutouts? Correct! They cleaned their mess. Are you also cleaning your mess when you are doing something? Alright! It is important to clean your mess when you are doing your projects or any activities. Based from the situation, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Correct! It is all about quadrilaterals. Do you know what is meant by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral came from two Latin words. Quadri, which means four, and latus or lateral, which means side. Quadrilateral is a polygon with exactly 4 angles and 4 sides. An example of it is a square. A square is a special kind of quadrilateral because its 4 sides are equal, and the angles are exactly the same size. In fact, they are all right angles. It is also formed by 2 pairs of parallel sides, this one and this one. Another kind of quadrilateral is rectangle. It has 4 equal angles, but not have 4 equal sides. Its opposite sides are also parallel. Another kind of quadrilateral is a rhombus. It has 4 equal sides, but don't have 4 equal angles. And just like square and rectangle, its opposite sides are also parallel. Another is a parallelogram. Even though it does not have 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles, still it is made from 2 pairs of parallel sides. All of these shapes are parallelogram, just like they're all quadrilaterals. It's just that we have a special names with them. If their angles are all equal, it is rectangle. Or if their sides are all equal, it is a rhombus. Or if both of their angles and sides are all equal, it is a square. Now, we have another kind of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. It has only 1 pair of opposite sides that is parallel. We call it trapezoid. To summarize, any polygon that has exactly 4 sides are called quadrilateral. And if it has no parallel sides, we still just call it quadrilateral. But if it has 1 and only 1 pair of parallel sides, we call it a trapezoid or a trapezium. Or if it has 2 pairs of parallel sides, we call it a parallelogram. And we know that there are several types of parallelogram called rectangle, rhombus, and square. A square can also be a rhombus or a rectangle because of its definition of 4 equal sides like a rhombus and 4 equal angles like a rectangle. So now let's play a game. The name of this game is Who Am I? I will read the definition of each quadrilateral and you will guess the name of it. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. I am a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and its opposite sides are equal. Who am I? Correct, that is a parallelogram. I am a parallelogram that has 4 equal sides. Who am I? Very good, it's rhombus. I I am a parallelogram that has 4 right angles and its opposite sides are equal. Who am I?
You're right. That is rectangle.
I am a special quadrilateral because I have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Who am I? Very good. It's a square. I am a quadrilateral that has only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. Who am I? That's great! It's a trapezoid. Did you enjoy the game? Okay, now for our next activity, I want you to get a paper and a ball pen. I will show you a figure and you will write Q if it is quadrilateral and NQ if it's not. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so now let's check your work. Are you enjoying our activities? That's great! So now, I will read a sentence and you will say true if the statement is correct and false if it's not. A rhombus has 2 parallel sides. The answer is true. A square is a parallelogram. The answer is true. A trapezoid is a parallelogram. The answer is false. A parallelogram is a rectangle. The answer is false. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. The answer is true. Alright, for our next activity, I want you to bring out your paper and ball pen again. I have here a situation and I want you to read it with me. Then later on, you will write your answers on your paper. Okay, let's begin! Mr. Santos is tiling his kitchen using different cutouts of tiles. The tiles were cut in a quadrilateral shape. Identify the quadrilaterals used by Mr. Santos in his kitchen. Write your answer on your paper. Okay, so now let's check if your answers are correct. For number 1, it's a trapezoid. Number 2, it's a square. Number 3, it's a rectangle. Number 4,
another square. And number 5, it's a trapezoid. Alright, I think you understand clearly our lesson for today. So again, what is quadrilateral? And what are its classification? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. It can be classified as a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, a parallelogram, and a trapezoid. For our evaluation, please bring out your paper and ball pen. Fill the blanks with the correct answer to complete the statement. A rectangle with 4 equal sides is called blank is a quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides and its opposite sides are equal. A quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides is called a parallelogram that has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles is called blank is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and its opposite sides are equal. Okay, so now let's check if your answers are correct. So for number 1, we have square. Number 2, rhombus. Number 3, trapezoid. Number 4, square. And number 5, parallelogram. Did you answer it correctly? Okay, very good. So now, for your assignment, I want you to create a tessellation. So what is a tessellation? A tessellation is when we cover a surface with a pattern of flat shapes so that there are no overlaps or gaps. Example of it is a floor tiles. In tessellation making, you will need the following materials: bond paper, colored paper, scissors, and glue. So for the procedure, first, prepare all the materials needed. Second, choose 2 different colored paper of your choice. Then cut it according to your chosen quadrilateral. It's either a square, a rhombus, a rectangle, a parallelogram, or a trapezoid. Third, paste the colored paper cutouts alternately in a clean bond paper to create a design of your tessellation. Fourth, continue pasting your cutouts until you cover the whole bond paper. And lastly, submit your artwork by taking a picture of it, then send it to me through email or FB Messenger. Here are some examples of a tessellation using quadrilaterals. Is your assignment clear? Alright, enjoy doing your artwork! So that's the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoy learning with me.
Till next time, have a good day!